Google's strategy at this year's I/O focused on ecosystem integration and cost efficiency over raw intelligence benchmarks. This approach is defined by four major releases: the Gemini 3.5 Flash model, the Omni video generator, the Spark Cloud Agent, and an overhaul of Google Search. These updates suggest a move toward the practical requirements of business operations, prioritizing the utility of the models within existing software environments. Gemini 3.5 Flash is the foundation of this shift. It is engineered specifically for high-volume, agentic workflows that require low latency. Plotting speed against intelligence, Gemini 3.5 Flash matches GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7, but operates up to 3 times faster. And on pricing, at $1.50 per million input tokens, 3.5 Flash costs under a third of its primary competitors. These specific reductions in cost and latency enable businesses to deploy autonomous agents for continuous tasks that were previously too expensive to run at scale. Google is also applying these models to media generation. Gemini Omni produces video accurately animating complex mechanisms like the scientific process of protein folding. The model also maintains persistent character consistency, allowing a single source image to be used as a recurring avatar across different video environments. For task execution, Google introduced Gemini Spark, an agent that resides on Google servers to perform proactive, multi-step operations. This ecosystem map shows how Spark functions as a central hub. It continuously routes data between Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, using third-party connectors to execute tasks in external applications. By hosting the agent on Google's infrastructure and providing it with native access to workplace tools, the system can execute these digital workflows without requiring a constant connection to the user's local machine. Google is also redesigning its search engine, moving away from the traditional link directory format toward an AI-first prompt interface. The new layout prioritizes comprehensive AI overviews. As shown here, traditional organic links are relegated to a secondary sidebar, significantly reducing their visual prominence. This change poses a risk to the digital economy. If Google answers queries directly by using publisher data, it removes the incentive for those publishers to create the content the AI relies on. Google is currently deploying these various interfaces and models to determine which specific tools users will integrate into their daily habits. Businesses should now focus on 2 specific actions: developing strategies to account for declining organic search traffic, and prototyping internal agents using the lower-cost Gemini 3.5 Flash API.